In our last tutorial, we tested the SOAP interface used for establishing a connection with the trading partner from the Setup menu. In this tutorial, we will show you an alternative testing method using MIME. MIME is a protocol that is behind email and has been around for a very long time. You can check out our video linked in the description box for a complete explanation of this topic. With MIME, there is a header and a payload, like in email attachments, but just made for the healthcare protocol. So we can choose MIME as the file exchange method, and then we need to fill in an address that we will test it with. So we place this address, and for each batch, there is a submission address and a retrieval address. In our case, it's the same address. We bring up the test interface, and it brings us here to the MIME test interface. It may not be as rich as SOAP, but we found the endpoint by listening. We can send over 270 transactions. We asked for Mickey Mouse as a fictional member, and we received a message that the member was not found. But that's okay. The whole communication back and forth worked, the cycle worked, and we did the same for the 276 and again successfully received the 277 response. For MIME, we can only test the endpoints. We already tested the payloads on the real-time server, so there's no need to go through the MIME transaction in detail. That concludes the testing of a MIME trading partner. Thank you for watching.